What's up everybody, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a front handspring. Trick Masters here, and this is what it's going to look like when you're finished. Like that. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, so how you're supposed to start is I'm going to teach you how to do a cartwheel and slowly turn that into a front handspring. So first you want to put your hands down for like a cartwheel. If you don't know how to do a cartwheel, I'm going to teach you right now. So put your hands down, like can you see it? And then kick your legs over. That's what a cartwheel basically is. So put your hands down and kick over. Put your hands down and kick over. Like that. Wait. Yes, that's the cartwheel. So, put your hands down, kick over, and land facing that way. That's a cartwheel. Hands down, use this leg to kick over and land the other direction. So next you want to learn is a round off. So a round off is where you run, here I'll show you one. Like that. So you basically keep your legs together. So you run, put both hands on the ground, go over and land with both feet. So run, put both hands on the ground at once, like you're doing a cartwheel, and then land with both feet like that together. So, and after that, you're going to want to put a little turn to your round off like this. Ready? So you do a round off, but then put a little turn so like you're landing like this. You're landing like a crab formation, which will look like this. Go over, and then you're going to want to turn your body like that and land like that. So don't break something though. So, and then turn. And like that. So you just want to turn your body so then instead of landing like this, you want to keep on turning so then you'll land like that. But you want to do that in one motion like this. Like that. It's not technically a front handspring, but we're still making our way to that because you're still putting your hands sideways. So put your hands sideways like that and then go over like that. Then slowly, you're going to graduate to, instead of putting your hands this much sideways, this much, this much, this much, this much, this much, this much, until it turns into a front handspring. So now put a little more, which is still not a front handspring. Oh yeah, you want to keep your feet together. So, still not one, because you're still kind of looking over your shoulder. You can also stand with both legs together and do it, but in my opinion, that's really hard. And you can't get much spin on it. I'm sorry if I'm walking away from the camera. So, hands down, then you're going to want to kick over and go over like that. And soon, it'll turn into a front handspring. Hold on, I need. That wasn't a very good one, but you see the point. So you want to do a round off and gradually turn into, like you go there. But that is basically how you do a front handspring. And I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. And last note, subscribe to Trick Masters. Thank you for watching.